In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image link in Google Drive using easy methods so you can share your Google Drive files effectively. Whether you're sharing with friends, colleagues, or simply want to make your files accessible to anyone, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First, log into your Google Drive account and go to the homepage. Once you're there, locate the specific image you want to share. When you've found it, right-click on the image. A small menu will pop up Move your cursor to the share option and click it. This is the key step that determines how and with whom you'll share your image. Once the sharing menu appears, you'll notice that by default, your image is set to restricted. That means only the people you manually add can view it. We're going to change that so anyone with the link can access it. To do this, click on restricted and from the options that appear, select anyone with the link. This change makes the image publicly accessible to anyone who has your link. Perfect for sharing in documents, websites, or messages. Now that the sharing permissions are set, click on the copy link button. This copies your image's shareable link to your clipboard automatically. You can now paste the link anywhere you need, for example, in an email, a chat, or a social media post. To paste, just use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. Before you share your link widely, keep a few best practices in mind. If your image contains sensitive or private information, be cautious, since anyone with the link can view it. You can always return to the sharing settings later and switch back to restricted or remove the link altogether. And that's it. You've successfully created an image link in Google Drive and can now share it easily with anyone you choose. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you simplify your Google Drive sharing process.